Hey guys, Chef Jason. Today, we are going to show you the art of brining. That's right, the #1 insurance policy for moisture and flavor is a brine. And today, we're going to walk you through those steps. So let's grab a turkey. Let's get started. Now, when it comes to brine ingredients, a few very important things you need. First, you need a bucket right here. Handy, strong Ace bucket. Now, secondly, you're gonna need some brine bags to line the bucket with, making it food safe, but also giving you fast and easy cleanup as well. Now, we have a lot of different brines available at your local Ace, so definitely take a look through these and figure out which one meets your flavor profile. That is gonna be super helpful. So let me see, we have the brine, we have the bucket, we have the bags. Wait. And you need a turkey. So next up, we're gonna show you how to prep the turkey, make the brine, put it in the bucket. Whew, got a lot of work to do. Let's get going. Turkey prep, first most important step, get yourself a really nice turkey. Now, when you're brining, make sure you pick a turkey that is free from solution injections or very minimal at most, because that brine is gonna add all of that moisture, all of that flavor as well. Now, prep item #1, they come with care packages. Take those out of there and then go ahead if you want and leave that cage in. It's gonna be fine, it's not gonna hurt anything. You will take it out before cooking. And then up front here, what I like to do is trim a little bit of that neck flap to kind of expose the front of the breast like that. Now, normally there is a hole right through the breast lobes into the cage, which is very, very important because when you pull the bird out, that hole is gonna help the brine drain. If not, I like to take a wooden spoon and just kind of get that in there, auger a nice little drain hole. We're done. Now I will tuck the wings like that. And hopefully the turkey doesn't fight me back. And we'll tuck the wings like, get in there. I know you can do it. Listen, you want to flip back there. I know you do. Like that. So we are set to go. Next up, time to make the brine. Okay, so, you know, a lot of brines have different methods of preparation. So I'm gonna make the suggestion, always follow the instructions on the package of your brine to get it prepped. But very important, you want an ice cold turkey and you want ice cold brine going in together. So first I'm gonna go ahead and load the brine bag, and I just like to get that in the bucket, and I will fold that over like so. Don't worry about it being too far over, because once you add the bird and add the brine, it will pull it right back down. Now, my brine is prepared according to package instructions. This is ice cold. After we were done prepping the turkey, put it back in the fridge, ice cold. Now it's time to get it in the brine. I'm gonna grab this turkey now right out of the fridge. I'm gonna grab it by the legs here. I'm gonna support it by the rib cage, and I'm going into the bucket. Listen, sometimes these guys fight you. Just push them in, they'll be just fine. Now we are good to go. My chef's brine that we're using today will brine an 18-pound turkey. We have an 18-pound turkey, so we are in a good place. Okay, now that we have the brine, we're gonna carefully pour this in. And if you notice, we put that turkey in cavity side up, because remember that hole we made? It's our drain hole. So we'll go ahead, carefully pour this in and get this guy in its bath water. The brine is in. Hey, and I know what you're thinking. Turkey butt sticking out of the water. Don't sweat it. Check it out. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna grab the bag. We're gonna pull up on it to take any of the slack out. And look at this. We're gonna squeeze out the air like that, and then as we twist it, look at that. The entire turkey is now in the brine. So next up, we will go ahead and add in our heavy duty twist tie like so. We're good to go. Now that our turkey is in the brine, it is all wrapped up, it is soaking quite nicely. We're gonna brine for 45 minutes a pound. Again, read the package instructions. We always suggest 45 minutes a pound. More brine time is not good. That results in a mushy turkey. So now you need to figure out where we're gonna store this. I always suggest putting it in your refrigerator or in the refrigerator in your garage. Don't have one of those? Don't sweat it. Put it in a cooler, but make sure that the ice level can come up well around the turkey, and then I'll even put some ice inside. And there you have it, right? It couldn't get any easier to add moisture and flavor and make sure your turkey is absolutely amazing. Now, speaking of flavor, if you're looking for more ways to add more flavor to your turkey, stay tuned. I've got a video coming up that I think you're going to enjoy.